You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this country in Asia and Oceania. How to say Oceania? Make sure to stay tuned if you want to learn more names from geography, country names that are confusing. English pronunciation here, if you want to learn how it's pronounced locally, I've got a video for you too. Indonesia. Indonesia. Alright, it's not Indonesia. Indonesia. Stress on the ni syllable. English pronunciation, how to pronounce Indonesia. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.